Hey guys, it's Cody with American Pool and Spa. We're out here in Winchester, Kentucky for this edition of Pool Guys, where we're going to swap out this spa with a HotSpring Spa. Hey guys, it's Cody with American Pool and Spa, and today we're out here in Winchester, Kentucky installing a new spa, replacing this one. This was from a brand called Blue Ridge. Customers want to get a new one replaced after they purchased a home. So we came out here ahead of time, did some measurements of the space, that we could find out what spas would fit best into this area. Where we arrived at was the Beam from the Limelight collection of HotSpring Spas. It's a 6'8" by 6'8" spa, 4-seater, really great if you're looking for a great spa that does not take up a whole lot of space. New colors they're getting are going to be Tuscan and Sable, Tuscan being the shell color, Sable being the cabinet color. And right now we're currently in the process of removing the old one. We just got it turned sideways, about to take it out here, bring the new one in.
Wow. Whoa. Wow.
Soldier on the red line, it's up to you.
Alrighty guys, we're back, and you just saw the process of getting it off the truck, the trailer, the cart, how we move it. Got it into place, we set it down on the deck, and now we're just going to scoot it into place, unpackage it, and finish the setup. Alright, we're into another part of the process. Right now, Brian is cutting all the packaging off. Comes in about a ton of packaging to keep everything safe on the road, and we're going to have a reveal of the spa now as we remove that. And so while we unpackage the spa, we try to be very neat about it. We cut it in a way that once we get it off, we just burrito it right up. And the next part of the process is going to be leveling it. So a lot of times people's concrete decks are built out of slope for drainage, for rain and everything. So it's pretty much a given on most spas that we install that we're going to have to add some shims to it, level it, bring it in, and let me go give you a rundown of some of the features here. So like I said, the Beam is a 4-seater. This one also came included with the speakers that we're going to set up here. There's 4 speakers, 2 on each side right there. They're going to be getting the Freshwater Salt System, a must-have for any HotSpring spa now. It's going to have a nice cover lift with a cover cradle. Makes taking your cover on and off an absolute breeze. That's another must-have for any HotSpring spa. And yeah, time to begin setup on everything here. Cleaned off a little bit, got some water on it and little bits of styrofoam, stuff like that. Just shine it up, get it pretty. Alrighty, it's done. We've got everything set up here, everything wired up, powered up, and is now heating up. So one of the key things that happened with this spa is that it was bundled with the Freshwater Salt System. So the Freshwater Salt System is a really revolutionary idea from HotSprings. A lot of people get a little bit shied away from salt systems, thinking it's going to be corrosive, it's going to be bad for their system. Not if you're taking care of your water right. So with the cartridges that are used that are in this compartment, instead of having to clean out a salt cell, you're changing it out every 4 months. Keep your salt level down to about 1,750 parts per million. Most pools sit about 30,000, 3,500 parts per million. Human tears, 30,000 parts per million salt. So it's very low salt levels, but enough to make that water feel super smooth, super soft, and make it last for a year. That's right. So with HotSprings, they're so energy efficient and water efficient, you can keep the same water in your spa for a year straight. So way easier on your water bill. Also with this, they also got the Bluetooth speaker system plus subwoofer. And Steve, if you'd like to pan around real quick, we can have a quick gander at the speakers. This spa here has been the Beam. So this is from the Limelight collection. This is, like I said before, a great spa if you perhaps don't have a huge space to work with, like this right here. It's fitting cozy under a deck. Everything's gonna be very nice, very intimate, secluded here, be able to have a great view this side. And this has been Cody with American Pool and Spa in Richmond, Kentucky, your local hot spring retailer. If you'd ever like a hot spring spa on your back deck, in your backyard, do please let us know. We're running different specials, different incentives, different great ways to find great savings and great features on already an amazing spa. So if you've ever been considering it, don't wait any longer. Get a hold of us and we can help you out every step of the way.